Hey everyone, this is Jon at Cougar Creek Ranch. Um, I am an old ham radio, November 6 November X-ray whiskey. And I'm planning a project to get a Unun for a end-fed half-wave ham radio antenna. Currently is about 43 meters long, and it's elevated only about 6 meter high. And I do have some good trees I'm planning to use to get this antenna higher. And also I want to double the length to about 86 meters long. So hoping for better performance. The elevation I'm planning, it's at least 20 meter high, which is about 60 feet. Yeah. So I have a couple of things that I think I want to show when I build this Unun. So I do have a 25-foot long 12 gauge wire, an armed wire, and I'm planning to use this. Let me turn this down here a little bit. And I'm planning to use for this on about 4 toroids. Yeah. This is my plan. I'm going to use the auto transformer, which will have primary 2 turns and additional 12 turns after the tap location. Anyway, prior to the Unun, I'm going to have a choke also. I start first. I started with straightening the wire as much as I could. I think by hand it's going to be really difficult to go and do this very fast. So, but I believe now it's good enough for what I want to do. I'll start keeping together the toroids and then start winding. So I want to show you how I started. I didn't glue the toroids, the ferrites, because I don't think it's necessary. But anyway, I am starting from this way, and unfortunately, because I don't want to waste any of the 12 gauge cable, I have to run all the 25 feet through the core to wind it. I'll do some more turn and I'll show you. So here will be the top. So it's 1, 2 turns. Here will be the top, and I am cleaning the enamel using the sandpaper. That's the best way to do it, basically, I think. So here is a sandpaper, and this is how I do it. That's one of the best procedures to clean up to the copper. I'm going to apply some solder to make sure that the copper surface will not oxidate and lose the proper contact over there. Yeah, looks like 12 gauge wire required quite a bit of power from the soldering iron, but I can see that it's spreading around. I mean the solder is spreading around, which means it got enough temperature for doing the proper job here. Well, I think I'm happy with that. Yeah. So I have to okay. During the build, you may want to use the tie wraps to organize a little bit the wires, and also make sure that this can help. I have a pair of pliers that I covered with duct tape, so you can go inside and press on the coils a little bit, so you will straighten the wire inside there. Yeah. So this is how it looks. This is the ground, the tap, and that's the output, the high impedance for the antenna. Now I think I'm going to take all this because the tie wraps I used to hold it during the fabrication, I don't think they are necessary anymore. So here is the Unun, the final version. Yeah, you can see it. So ground, tap, and the antenna out. I haven't clean it up and solder this terminal because basically, I mean this terminal, because I'm going to cut it depending on the dimensions and whatever I will have around there. But yes, I think this is going to be good for legal power, for not continuous duty, but good enough for SSB, CW, you know, and reduced power RTDI. Anyway, I'm happy I did it. I just want to mention that you have to make sure that you pay attention good enough, because I dropped it when I was 75% done with it, and then I have to do it again. A lot of work, you know, took me double the time. Okay, here it is. November 6th, November, X-ray whiskey, over.